So welcome back, guys. So for the today video now, I will show you how to sew v-neck for maybe for adults or for children, or if you want to do it for any kind of style you want to sew. So actually now one of my subscribers say make I just show how to sew v-neck. So if you know say maybe they sew v-neck before but you know they need like this or another pattern how they do, you should just upgrade your work so that you know how you go do. So you say this one what I do now, nothing like sewing the show up outside here. So if you want to know the way I take one step by step, just follow me to the end and give us thumbs up so that they will push this video more. So let's go start the video now. So what will be the first thing we go first do? You see, after you don't cut everything like this, you don't cut your front part and you don't cut your back part of the senator or kaftan you want make. Either you want to do for children, either you want to do small picking or for adults. If you use this pattern for anybody, I advise you get your measurements right. So the first way we will do is say you don't need this back side for now. You keep this one aside, then you work on this front side. So the first measurement we go first take is say either you measure your client from the shoulder part to where the length you want make him be. Sure, you understand me? If you measure the client from the shoulder or you use yourself, it depends on the client be other small picking in case you want to for small picking. So that will fit get the actual length where you need. For example, now say see the shoulder part there, shoulder part for the client 9 so the length we go ask the client how you want making long, even tell say making long more or making, but for example now say this one I want to do this one 8 inches or make you do an 8.5. So you don't get your 8.5 here, mark your 8.5 but no cut them there, just mark the 8.5. You say you don't forget say now 8.5 now will get from the client where you want make the length you wish for the v-neck. So the next thing we go do now be say the wideness wey you wan use for the v-neck measurement, like the boldness wey you wan make him be for the neck. It depend how the boldness how you wan make him be. So this one now you go make am 1 inch bold. Now 1 inch bold now you want for this one, that is 1 inch bold. So you go mark that 1 inch here from your neck side. Don't forget you go don measure your neck already. You go don cut am normal like they cut your senator. So you go mark the measurement here, that is a 1 inch. So the 1 inch now you go try join them to this part, join am to your 8 inches. But before that you go mark like half inch inside from there your 8 inches measurement where you mark. So from there now you go join them together like this. You go join this line, you go use your chalk mark am like this. So after I don't mark am like this, so the next thing now you go just come up this side like 0.7. so that is 0.7 wey you mark now. You go just mark and come up like this. I hope you see wetin I dey do. So after that the next thing na to just cut this part out. No forget wetin we measure from here na just 1 inch. Now here you go check the measurements, nothing concern you about this part. Sure you understand? So this particular one what I dey do now, one design of the v-neck, but now I dey show you I dey show you the easiest way. So now the easiest part I dey show you now. So you go cut that 1 inch comot. See the way they cut am now. Cut am reach that level. Then if you don't reach that side, then stop. Then cut am like this. So after we don't cut this part out, the scene after you don't cut am out now, the next thing we go do now be say you go carry your pieces. Your pieces now, it depends on the material, it depends on the color you want making day for the v side. But me, I go rather use the color to do the v design part. So this measurement now it go depend, it go determine wetin we go do our wideness, wetin I want bring come out now. So for example now our total measurement for the v side we will minus na just 1 inch. Don't forget now this time we focus on leave all these parts. Now 1 inch we manage from here. So wetin go add here, you no go fit give am 1 inch, you no go fit cut 1 inch out because you go for sewing allowance now you need to add the sewing allowance here. So instead of 1 inch we go cut out here, you go make an 1.3 or 1.2. You understand? Just imagine 1.3 because if you dey sew am na that 0.3 wey remain on top na it will cut comot. So to get that you go just measure the length wey e dey here now. So wetin dey here now na 8 inches. That 8 inches now na you go just use am cut this part out, or you go just make am 8.5. So with the excess no dey no mean anything. So you go cut this part too. Forget I do this one double. Then I will divide this one into 2. So after that, the next thing I be say you go cross check either the measurement dey accurate, because I no wan make him pass wetin I want. So wetin I dey feel say dey and I don dey pass my measurement, so I go need to trim am small. So after I trim am small, I go make sure dey my accurate measurement. Then I go apply my hemming gum under. So after I do that finish, I will show the next thing. So I don already gum the I don already apply my hemming gum for under here. See, e don gum already. I don gum the 2 of them. So the next thing be say we just carry this the front side like this, then turn am to the front side. After I turn am like this, so I go like go to my machine now, go swam. You see the way I place am, you know say e long pass this side small, e long pass here small, no be the same thing. After I do like that, then I will just sew this part. I will sew that 0.3 when I talk. I no go let am pass. So if you just measure am, say if you don reach your machine, you know say na 1 inch you wan sew from there. So anyone wey remain for that 1 inch, na you go sew come down. Then the same thing apply to the second one too, the second side of this side. So once you reach your machine, just measure with 1 inch. The remaining one you go hold am come down. So you go sew am straight. I go sew yourself straight. So if I sew am finish, I will come out there. I will show you the next thing to do. So after the finishing of the sewing, see I don sew the part already. So the next thing we go do now be say we go just launch our the end part of the sewing. So you see how they do here, you go launch am like this, then you go launch the other side too. So after the launching, now to just apply our iron. So you go use your iron, take turn am like this. So before you turn am, if you weave am, but this one I no go weave am for now, just to show you wetin I wan show you. So you go iron am, you go need to open am like this. The iron the front. Then the other side too, you go do the same thing. So after we finish the ironing, I iron this part, they iron this part too. So see how it look here after we do the ironing finish. Facing how they talk now. You see the setting now. After I do like this finish, so the next now they just turn this part. So from other cases, you know say this one has small material I use here as example. You go dey shake, like you know go balance if you wan go swam for machine. So you go just apply this temporary hemming gum. You go put am under here. You put am under here, gum am. So that if you wan go swam for machine, go dey easy. So I will just gum this part now. Then if I gum am finish, then I'll go machine go swam. So after that, you go see the next thing what I go do. So after we finish the sewing, I don sew the inside. Check am when I don sew this part. Then if you check am for master, this say no rumple here, nothing like folding dey this side. So we just apply the iron again. So after that, the next thing I will just use our back cape, like the back side of the material. Then you don cut back cape already. Then trim this side come out. So the next thing I will just carry this part, that the back side. Then don't forget this now this side now be the wrong side of the fabric, and the wrong side be this. So you go use this side now. You will place this your cloth on top. Then carry this one like this. You see what I do? See you will put this one here like this. Then you go use this our back cape. For example, now say you don't sew here, you go sew am down now. You use this material now. You will use this part now to turn am inside. You see the space where you remain now you go to swam. So for you to just understand, then make I just do demonstration, make you see. So after that, see wetin I dey talk here. You go allow the joining start from here, then the remaining one now you go just hold inside. So I don't do that finish. So the next thing you go to just launch this back side. You go launch am like this. You launch this side too. So after launching, you go try trim this side small, so that the excess no go much for this part. So the next thing na to just turn am, then you apply iron well.